What's up guys, welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video we're going to jump straight back into Moonwell. Now we're going to find out where the next pickup zone is going to be for Moonwell and where we can be expecting to long it to. But before we get into that, 71% of you are not subscribed. Now the Moonwell community has been coming in so strong, right? Where my base head's at, where my Moonwell head's at. Guys, let's try and get that to 30% subscribed. All you got to do is click that button. Easy as that. Let's go. Alrighty, $168 million market cap, 5.8 cents. This may be giving some of you guys a chance to get in. If you were looking at Moonwell, you were on the sidelines and you were thinking, should I be buying? This is exactly why I said to you guys in the comments, and I said to you in the last video, that we stick to our buy prices and we don't chase the pumps. When this thing was at like 6, 7 cents, we don't chase it because there are always going to be more opportunities in the market. You got to keep a cash position to the side, guys, and you just got to practice patience. This is how you make money in the market. But Moonwell, 5.8 cents today. And some big news coming up for tomorrow now. Big unlock coming on the 23rd of October. Currently, the Well price is down to 0.58 cents. As we just saw, Well will keep dumping and creating new lows. Sell now before you get dumped on again, guys. Sell now. Panic time. Well, let's look into that a little bit deeper. You can see here on token headline the top 7 biggest unlocks in the next 7 days. Okay, so we've got quite a few here. Moonwell at the bottom with $2 million being unlocked, or 0.23% of the supply, not even 1% of the supply. Number one, this goes to show that when you go on Twitter, not everybody knows what they're talking about. This guy doesn't really know what he's talking about because it's less than 1% of the supply. It's less than 0.5% of the supply, guys. And if you want to go and see if the daily volume can eat it up, the answer's yes. Not all of this is going to be buying. Some of it's going to be buying and selling, but $7 million daily volume, okay? Down 21%. So it would have been, what's that? About $8.5 million. Okay, so for a $2 million unlock on a $168 million market cap coin, it's not that much. If you guys see this, I mean, there can be some short-term volatility, but it's not like a crazy unlock like we've seen in some other coins. So I wanted to start the video off to say that in case any of you guys see this and you start panicking. Now we can see here, proud to see Moonwell take the number 2 place in the base ecosystem. It's incredible to see the TVL flip Uniswap, as we said in the last video, but Aerodrome and Moonwell are on top as they should be. You can see here, category, you've got DEXs for Aerodrome. We love Aerodrome. If you're an Aerodrome holder, let me know. Moonwell, 4 chains, lending, $235 million TVL. On top of that, the highest total deposits on Moonwell. The Moonwell ecosystem is rapidly growing, now surpassing its previous record from May with $261 million in assets supplied. If you really want to zoom in, over $80 million deposited into Moonwell's flagship vaults, powered by Morpho Labs, trustless and immutable lending infrastructure. Moonwell vaults provide optimized risk-adjusted returns for depositors. You can deposit ETH, USDC, or EURC. And if you want to check it for yourself, guys, just go on moonwellfinance.com or moonwell.fi even /vaults, and then you can see you've got the ETH flagship, you've got the USDC flagship, and then you've got the EURC flagship there as well. So you guys can keep a track of that in your own time. 43 million in the ETH, 34 million in USDC, and then 9 million in the Euro. Now again, we followed the smart money, did some digging into Aero holdings on Coinbase Ventures. And one of the main focuses, we're not going to read this, but you can read it in your own time, is that they've actually allocated 3.6 million Aero into Moonwell. They've lent it into Moonwell. So a lot of people are saying, oh, we don't trust this platform. We don't trust this platform. It's dodgy, whatever. Well, Coinbase Ventures are actually allocating their funds into Moonwell. Looking good. Now, with everything looking bullish, we must remember that we don't want to go up in a straight line forever, guys. If you look at this chart, it's the 3-month chart. It's going parabolic right now. So realistically, it would be so good if we could just cool off and consolidate for a little bit. I know we all want to go up in a straight line forever, but that is how the majority of investors get wrecked, because it just goes up, 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 up. Everybody seems to get caught into the pump and everyone thinks it's going to go up forever. We have a nasty shakeout, which is an amazing opportunity for us to be getting Moonwell cheaper. And then you can't buy because then you bought, 7, 8, 9 cents and then you're down 50%, right? So we need to be smart investors. We need to look at the chart and just see what the chart is telling us. Any other chart, you'd look at it and you'd say, should I be buying now? Bitcoin is trying to have a retest of the first channel breakout. If you missed my video yesterday, then we covered, you know, there's actually 2 breakout levels and then layered resistance above us. But this is like step number 1, okay? If we can hold this as resistance, that's going to be amazing. However, if we do violate this and then come back into the channel, we'll be looking at picking up some longs in the demand zone between 63 and 64k. Now, when it comes to Moonwell, I mean, we found support on the 0.5 fib, looking really, really good. However, we've got some more support here at the 0618 and the 0786. So that's going to be here at 5.5 cents and then all the way down to our initial buy at 5 cents, guys. So if we do have our next breakout, then the next breakout is going to bring us to this green zone here between around that 8 cents to 8.35 cents, I believe it is, guys. So again, what we'd like to see now is some consolidation here. This is only the 4-hour chart, okay? It's not that long. It's not that much of a long time. A few days to a week, couple weeks or so, if we just kind of hover around in here, that is what we'd like to see, guys. As much as everyone wants an up only, we want this to be a continued pump. How do we get a continued pump? Well, we just let off some steam, have another run up. Let off some steam, have another run up. We've had our run up. We're letting off steam now, guys. You can see the RSI on the 4-hour is oversold again. So that's initially looking pretty good. But again, we got to practice patience, guys. So will I be picking up some more Moonwell now? Well, personally, like I said, I stick to the plan, okay? If we do come down to that 5 again, then I'll be picking up some more. If you're not in Moonwell already and you're thinking, right, where can I be picking up some more? I would be looking at that 5.5 cents. Now, we could find some support in the 0.5 fib and continue this move up. We've had some big wicks and some big buys off the 0618. So if it does come again and you're not in, that is maybe where I'd be looking at picking up some more. But personally, I'm not going to be adding to my bags unless we do come and retest at 0786 at 5 cents again, or maybe we violate lower if Bitcoin does decide it wants to dump down. But that's it. If you made it this far, then please click that button for more Moonwell updates. Let me know what you think of Moonwell in the comments, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Peace.